Hi, the topic we are going to see today is discourse markers. Discourse means a written or spoken communication. Discourse markers are words or expressions that link, manage, and help to organize sentences. They connect what is written or said. They are also called linking words or fillers. They are important to make your speech or text flow and to avoid a series of short, unconnected statements. And now we are going to look at the most common used discourse markers with examples. With regard to, regarding, as regards, as far as, is concerned, and as far. These expressions focus attention on what follows in a sentence. This is done by announcing the subject in advance. These expressions are often used to indicate a change of subject during conversations. We can see examples also. His grades in science subjects are excellent as regards humanities. With regard to the latest market figures, we can see that regarding our efforts to improve the local economy, we have made changes. As far as I am concerned, we should continue to develop our resources. As for John's thoughts, let's take a look at this report he sent. Next, on the other hand, while, whereas. These give expression to two ideas which contrast but don't contradict each other. While and whereas can be used as subordinating conjunctions to introduce contrasting information. On the other hand, can be used as an introductory phrase of a new sentence connecting information. For example, football is popular in England, while in Australia they prefer cricket. We have been steadily improving our customer service center. On the other hand, our shipping department needs to be redesigned. Jack thinks we are ready to begin, whereas Tom thinks we still need to wait. Next, however, nonetheless, and nevertheless. All these words are used to begin a new sentence which contrasts two ideas. These words are often used to show that something is true despite not being a good idea. For example, it was pouring outside, nonetheless, he still went for his evening run. Our teacher promised to take us on a field trip. However, he changed his mind last week. Peter was warned not to invest all of his savings in the stock market. Nevertheless, he invested and lost everything. Next, moreover, furthermore, in addition. We use these expressions to add information to what has already been said. The usage of these words is much more elegant than just making a list or using the conjunction and. For example, texting while driving is dangerous. Moreover, it is illegal in many countries. I assured him that I would come to his presentation. Furthermore, I also invited a number of important representatives from the local Chamber of Commerce. Our energy bills have been increasing steadily. In addition to these costs, our telephone costs have doubled over the past 6 months. Next, therefore, as a result, consequently. These expressions show that the second statement follows logically from the first one. He reduced the amount of time studying for his final exams. As a result, his marks were low. We have lost over 3,000 customers over the past 6 months. Consequently, we have been forced to cut back our advertising budget. The government has drastically reduced its spending, therefore, a number of programs have been cancelled. Hope you have understood what are discourse markers and their usage. And don't forget to take the quiz after this. Thank you.